You want to see? Oh my God. So it's quite an interesting one. So how is this steel is manufactured? We can go inside and see exactly. So this is an electrical furnace.
With a mixture of scrap metal, lumber,
In fact, they are saying that steel plates, so many products. Huh? So they iron steel का क्या raw form बनाएगा. And for example, if you are on a heavy engineering use, आप बोलते हैं मेरे लिए वो acid steel बना. Remember, we had three steel. One is acid, alloy, and other is another steel. What is that? They have written in the book. There it is. Last में लिखा रहेगा ना, three types of steel.
carbon, acid,
Carbon. So based on the product that you are manufacturing, the steel quality also changes. You will just have the raw form of steel. फिर वो industry में जाएगा. Which industry? That is heavy engineering. And उधर जाके वो steel को रख के लोग बनाएंगे. समझा? You remember that structural steel we use it for all construction. Again, na mota mota. So we have rolling steel and a structural shape, and then what is that? Shape steel, is it? It's Mexico, South America. So wonderfully correct. At least now you got an idea. Yeah, iron and steel कितना risky है. Okay, let's start. So you write down raw materials. This plant was set up. This plant was set up in 1959 under the German assistance. Raw material 1959. When you listening. Set up in 1959 under the German assistance. मतलब German government ने ये help किया. Company name is Krups. दिमाग and Krups. आजकल इंडिया में ये बड़ा-बड़ा किचन वेयर बनाता है. Cream and Dima, Krups and Dima, sorry. Krups. मॉड्यूलर किचन सुना है? मॉड्यूलर किचन जो पूरा स्टील का बनाया है, तो ये कंपनी बनाता है. क्रिप्स एंड डिमा 1950. Correct. Second one. Located in Kolkata. Located in, sorry, I'm so sorry. Located in Sundargarh district of Odisha. Located in Sundargarh district of Odisha, away from Kolkata, 402 kilometers. Sundargarh district of Kolkata, Odisha, away from Kolkata. Iron ore is from iron ore. Is from Sundargarh and Kionjar. Keep your textbook side by side. Next, manganese, limestone, and dolomite. Dolomite from nearby regions. Actually, the दिया बराजमाड़ा, ब्रह्मपुर, बराद्वार, ये याद नहीं रखेगा. Nearby regions, हाँ? Next. power supply. Have you heard about Hirakud power project? ये भी ओडिशा का ही है. Power supply is from Hirakud. Okay, Hirakud. And the needed coal is obtained from Zaria, Alsh, Korba. Zaria, Alsh, and Korba. Needed labor force. Needed labor force. Hyphen. Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand and Odisha. Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand and Odisha. Next. It requires huge supply of fresh water obtained from Mandira Dam. Huge supply of fresh water obtained from Mandira. ये मतलब जितना भी आयरन स्टील है ना उनको फ्रेश वाटर चाहिए, सॉल्ट वाटर नहीं चाहिए. Why do they require this fresh water? You are seeing the video, everything is there. Salt water, why can't they use it for steel production?
So because then they will put that water on the steel, then
correct. इतना ही बोलने का, you say for cooling purpose. Because all the steel that they manufacture is in the liquid form. Did you see how? What is the temperature? 1300 to 1500 degree, and you see this steel is passing through the layer. Sudden steam, continuous fresh water supply is there. Out of the majority, mineral-based industries, iron steel requires a maximum water. And whatever water is poured on that, is it water coming back? What it is? You see steam how quickly? If they put the salt water,
the salt will remain on there.
And corrosion. So that is why they say every iron and steel requires the supply of which water? Is fresh water always. Next. Only 1 point, that's almost. Easy and quick transport facilities. Easy and quick transport facilities. Hyphen. Mumbai, Kolkata. Southeast Railway Line. Providing a huge market. Southeast Railway Line providing a huge market. Mumbai and Kolkata regions. That's all. Rourkela plant is complete. We do not have any other steel plant. Shall we do a little bit of map marking? But you don't have. So I will map later on. So these iron steel are very important. बेटे आपने पास मैप है
So syllabus में मैथ मार्किंग है इंडस्ट्रीज वाला नहीं
है श्योर आयरन स्टील तो आते ही है ना देखो because iron steel is very important. How can they miss iron steel for mathematics? Just check. If not, we'll start with electronics.
So हमने ये सब मैप किया रिवर्स किया
हाँ
और मॉनसून बेस वाले
ठीक है. Let us get into Petroleum minerals or electronics, petrochemicals है ना? In other batches I've seen they've got a bunch of files. They've got a bunch of files in which they are doing maps. Iron and steel रहेगा. ठीक है. हाँ. But that is the last year's one. They have not updated the portion. Okay.
Maps for the
industry. You keep the map. We may map. Write on this industry. Petrochemical. PCL. Petrochemical industries. विजय पानी देना मुझे गरम. Right. Are those industries which produce chemicals derived from petroleum or natural gas? समझा? Chemicals derived from petroleum or natural gas. Chemicals derived from petroleum or natural gas. Now, what you do, you give this notes to your friend and take the notes of her. Okay, when she comes back. Tomorrow you got lectures here. Tomorrow holiday. How about Thursday?
Thursday, study.
You come for math. She's in what? Marathi. Sanskrit. Which subject she is taking?
She is in UT. She is taking math, science, and this social.
Okay, sorry. So maybe like Friday, she comes for with like math lecture, is it?
This math segment.
So you give this notes and take her notes. You just WhatsApp key, you bring the notes of the earlier chapter.
Sir, I have WhatsApp, so I can WhatsApp.
You WhatsApp and tell her on Friday you bring that notes and give your notes to her. This notes which I'm giving now. Second point. It is mainly used for making products as detergents, fertilizers, medicines, paint. You understand paints? Plastics, synthetic fiber and synthetic rubber. Synthetic fiber and synthetic rubber. What is the meaning of the word synthetic according to you? What is the meaning of the word synthetic? See, उधर को man-made. मतलब अभी natural rubber बहुत कम है तो we have man-made rubber. Okay. So where are two substances, synthetic rubber and synthetic
Fiber.
fiber. Okay. Can you name any synthetic fiber जो हम पहनते हैं? Cotton is synthetic. Silk is synthetic. Silk in human being make it. फिर वो silk को हम क्या करता है? Nylon. Terylin. Is a वो cloth जो man-made नहीं है, जो natural नहीं है. It is man-made. देखो, now there are so many substances which are not made by nature. But human beings have the formula to make the product of their own. अभी glass. The time was there, glass was made out of the scrap glass only. And you know how the glass is made? They have a blow blast. मतलब एक लंबा सा ट्यूब जैसा रहेगा. And in those days, the human being used to blow. और glass को लोग कुछ तो specific temperature में heat करते हैं. It becomes red hot like iron. And they keep on blowing. Want to see how glass is made? So nowadays we have glass which are made by human being only, synthetic. ये जो विंडो पेन्स में नहीं दिखता है वो कलरफुल जो बड़ा बड़ा महंगा वाला आता है तो नेचुरल ग्लास नहीं है human being है so whenever the word synthetic comes you remember it is human being man made human being made कोई नहीं बोलता man made correct let us go to the next एक काम कर you write this line as it is the basic materials but you write ethylene propylene benzene and gases of carbon monoxide and nitrogen मतलब 1 2 3 फिर ये वो लिखिए these are the chemicals used next study production units you have to write Reliance IOC example 1 2 ये समझ रहा है हल्दीला और पेट्रोफिल्स लेक अच्छा it's a textbook copy ना you write haldila then you write petrophils oh thank you write haldila chemicals limited then you write petrophils then IPCL then you go to Reliance then the last one what is that Indian IOC Indian Oil Corporation let us write advantages point number 1 अभी समझा what is petroleum petrochemicals जितना भी डिटर्जेंट्स बनता है सोप्स बनता है पूरा इसी से बनता है highly cheap and economically stable मतलब जब तक पेट्रोलियम का एक्सट्रैक्शन होगा हमको मिलते ही जाएगा highly cheap and economically stable second easy availability of raw materials easy availability of raw materials Next, independent supply. Independent supply away from independent supply away from agriculture. Independent supply away from agriculture. Next. Several new products with minimum cost of production. Several new products with minimum cost of production. And right, petrochemical products heading. Synthetic rubber and synthetic fibers. याद है? मैंने क्या बोला? कॉटन बोला ना? Synthetic rubber and synthetic fiber. Synthetic का मतलब ही है man-made. Okay? Second, plastic bags. Plastic bags. PVC. You know what is PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. ये पाइप्स का नाम ही हम लोग PVC बोलते हैं. Next, plastic footwears. Plastic footwears, chappals actually. Plastic chappals and synthetic footwears. Next. Bus. Now put the heading. Do we have electronic industry? Yes, we have. Put the heading electronics. And if you talk about electronics, what is the first thing that comes in your mind? Chips, and then IT products, mobile phones. You remember? Now we are having 5G services. आपको मिला मोबाइल में 5G? अभी तक नहीं आया, या तूने ट्यून नहीं किया? चेंज नहीं. I don't know. लोग ने बॉम्बे तो बोला है. अभी हम लोग बॉम्बे से फैमिली you keep going ना. You have relatives in Bombay. और नवी मुंबई. वो पहले बोलता था बॉम्बे में जा रहा है.
मेरे हाथ में लोग कर रहे हैं.
किधर?
वो पता नहीं उनको.
बॉम्बे में ही है ना.
नहीं करना चाहिए.
But you go how? So when I'm saying 5G networks are introduced, they have many systems to launch. Correct? Even a simple dish which is we keep in a house, it has a transmitter. वो भी आपके electronics ही बनाता है. Your calculator, your video games, है ना? वो वीडियो गेम्स का क्या बोलते हैं उसको हम लोग, जिस पर हम कैसे डाल के खेलता है, जो भी even that is manufactured by electronic.
PlayStations.
PlayStation correct. उसको बोलते हैं
Xbox भी है.
Xbox का तो नहीं है, क्या बोलते हैं docking station. अच्छा, but you know, so whatever we say, today Bangalore has become the electronic hub. But slowly and steadily, along with Bangalore, I mean, India is not only catering to the demands of India, but also abroad clients. So, I mean, if I say after your 12th standard, you can become an electronic engineer. अभी ये कौन सा इंजीनियरिंग हुआ है ना, अभी तो आगे जाके बोलेगा ड्रेनेज इंजीनियर, बोले ये कौन सा ड्रेनेज इंजीनियर सर, वो क्या है ना, जितना भी कैटस मुंबई में है ना, वो कर पूरा स्टेडियम करता है, भले it sounds absurd but it is correct, is doing. अभी सर ड्रेनेज में क्या इंजीनियरिंग चाहिए सर, आपको मालूम नहीं है, हमारा जो कचरा है ना, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कचरा, वो यूरोपियंस लोग करोड़ों में पैसा देके खरीदता है, फिर इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने सोचा ये कचरा लोग करता क्या है, आउट ऑफ दिस कचरा ओनली दे आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सो मेनी न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स, फिर इंडियन अभी बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कचरा बाहर नहीं जाएगा, हम लोग ही यूज करेंगे. I don't know, have you heard about this recycling plants, है ना, अभी पेपर का रिसाइकलिंग होता है, ग्लास का रिसाइकलिंग होता है, मेटल्स का रिसाइकलिंग होता है, प्लास्टिक्स का रिसाइकलिंग होता है, ह्यूमन बीइंग को छोड़ के बाकी सबका रिसाइकलिंग होता है. So it's $1 million business now. Okay, so electronic industry is an industry which, at least for the future, has a big future. Chalo, right now. India is one of the fastest growing market in Asia. With respect to electronic industry, with respect to electronic industry. Second, it mainly includes computers, post and telegraph, radio, cellular and defense equipment. Radio, cellular and defense equipment. Radio, defense equipments. Next. The first industry, ये इसका टीवी भी बनता था, टीवी इतना गंदा था, कलर टीवी, iPhone, set up at Hyderabad in 1970, Electronic Corporation of India Limited, इसको ECI बोलता था, Electronic Corporation of India Limited. Electronic Corporation of India Limited. ब्रैकेट में क्या डालना है? ECI. समझा? Next. Along with ECI, Indian Telephone Industries. Indian Telephone Industries. What is the short form?
ITC.
ET कहाँ से आएगा? IT in Bangalore, 1950. In Bangalore in 1950. And Bharat Electronics Limited. You know the spelling of Bharat? BHARAT. Again in Bangalore, 1954. Let's study this electronics. So one industry in Hyderabad and two industry in Bangalore. Correct? Wait. You are going to look and tell me the years also. Just one. So now we are seeing electronics. So the first company was Electronic Corporation of India Limited, correct? In which year it was?
1970.
Huh?
1970.
70? अच्छे से देख.
70.
Where? In Hyderabad. Second one, ITI, correct? Indian Telephone Industries, correct?
1950.
Again, it is near Bangalore. Near Bangalore. 19? My boy, 70 कैसे आएगा? I was asking again and again, you were saying the same thing, correct? Correct. 1970. Now, फिर ये बात में आया. It's okay, correct. You're correct. Third one, Bharat Electronics Limited है क्या? आई है.
Bharat Limited.
देखो, whenever we write limited, ना, it is a private company, है. Again, it is Bangalore. It is 1956. 56 or 54. Okay. Understand. Now, this ECI, I remember it used to make color television. CTV बोलता था color television for the first time. और company का नाम ही था ECTV. No, ऐसा रखा था ECTV. But sorry to say, the most बकवास color TV we have ever seen. So तो देखा भी नहीं है. और जो भी बेचारा गवर्नमेंट से लोन लेके टीवी लेता था वो यही टीवी मिल सकता. हम लोग के घर में तो पापा तो टीवी बहुत टाइम तो लिया ही नहीं. कलर ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट तो छोड़ो, कलर तो छोड़ो, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट भी नहीं है, पढ़ाई खराब. One of my friend had a color TV. I was in my, I don't know which standard, 5th or not even 5th, 9th or 10th standard. 12th होने के बाद पापा ने बोला ठीक है तुम लोग ज्यादा इधर उधर भागने का नहीं, तो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट टीवी लिया. हाँ, वो मेरा फ्रेंड बोलता था मेरे घर में कलर टीवी यार तो आते सब कुछ ऐसा कलरफुल दिखता है ना. Remember that Sunday Ramayana and Mahabharata was a great serial. मैं गया उसके घर में, एक तो टीवी तो उसका पापा के बगैर वो खोलेगा भी नहीं. उस दिन उसका पापा ऑफिस से आने में लेट हुआ, तो फिर टीवी और रिमोट भी था. रिमोट समथिंग लाइक वेरी रिच पीपल बोल रिमोट, अरे क्या है ना, दूर से बैठ के चैनल चेंज करने का और वॉल्यूम बहुत बढ़िया है यार. ठीक है फिर एक दिन देखते हैं. When you switched on the TV, all the four corners of the color TV was in different color. एक साइड में ग्रीन, एक साइड में येलो है, एक साइड में पिंक है. और नहीं क्या कलर टीवी है ऐसे ही दिखता. अभी हमारे लिए ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट देख के आदत से हो गया. हाँ यार बढ़िया है. आज मुझे वो देख के आदत है ना, अभी LCD है, LED टीवी है. मुझे याद है कि वो इतना बड़ा ही मारता था स्कूल में, मेरा फर्स्ट कलर टीवी. I think in our entire building or entire locality वो अकेला उसके पास कलर टीवी था. फिर मैं बोला ये कौन सा ब्रांड है? अरे पापा ने कंपनी से लाया है. तो नीचे लिखा रहेगा ECT. तो फिर आई गूगल मतलब उस टाइम में गूगल भी ज्यादा नहीं था. मैंने टीचर से पूछा, टीचर ने बोला इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया. ओके लेट्स गो. यू राइट स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी. दो लिखेंगे, हम लोग आगे बढ़ जाएंगे. चैप्टर्स डन. Space technology. Electronics industry plays a vital role. Vital means very important. In space technology in space technology. Important are, first one लिखना ISRO. Have you heard about ISRO? Again, it is in Bangalore. It is space technology. It is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Indian, ये किसके जैसा काम करता है? नासा. नासा किधर है? अमेरिका में है. इसरो. ये जो रॉकेटरी प्रोग्राम मूवी देखा, उसके पहले एक अक्षय कुमार का मूवी है मंगलयान, मार्स के ऊपर, वो भी इसी का. इसरो, इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बेंगलुरु लिमिटेड. Indian Space Research Organization. Second, then National Remote Sensing Agency. National Remote Sensing Agency. It's in Hyderabad. Huh? This one is in Bangalore. Next, you can write software industry. The software. Point 1. Major progress in 1990s. This industry made major progress in 1990. And most important industry in India. And is the most important industry in India. Next. India now provides better quality products. India now products better quality products, cost effective, as well as highly reliable products. Highly reliable products. Next, Bengaluru and Hyderabad. Bengaluru and Hyderabad. Are the important centers for this industry. Are the important centers of this industry. Nine. Capital में ICI, Indian Computer Industry, and ICI, Indian Computer Industry, is at its peak. You understand peak? सबसे highest form में है. Is at its peak for IT support. You understand IT, na? And the last industry. Okay, when we talk about entertainment, अभी entertainment में electronics का जरूरत है क्या?
मोबाइल से वही से
Entertainment electronics में मोबाइल कहाँ से आया?
टीवी हो गया
TV हो गया, correct? Cameras, lenses, ये lights, ये इतना बड़ा कभी film shooting देखा है? देखा है? कौन सा movie?
ये क्या मतलब वो बैकग्राउंड में
हाँ देखा it's so big cameras है लाइट्स होता है इतना बड़ा लाइट्स होता है कैमरा होता है वो रिफ्लेक्टर होता है फिर वो केबल्स होता है वो ट्रॉली होता है ये सब बनता है ये सब यही बनाता है ना चलो लेट अस फिनिश अप दिस television and audio industries were at its peak in 1990s, supported by electronic industry. Next point. It manufactures audio devices like stereo players. Understand that? Music systems. Car audio system, etc. The main centers of production, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and Pune. Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and Pune. That's it. Now see any question answers you want to explain. If not, you can next 2 minutes back up. ये पूरा घर से कर लेना अभी पूछ लो मुझे any iron scale industry anything. We have electronics manufacturing. Look here, IT.
India has witnessed unprecedented growth in electronics manufacturing in the last 5 years.
I really look forward to an amazing growth of electronic manufacturing in India, not just in terms of the overall volume, but also in terms of the entire range being catered to in different parts of the country.
With tax reductions and radical changes in laws pertaining to company registration, labor and dispute resolution, the country has witnessed a considerable improvement in ease of doing business. Due to this, India aims to become a $400 billion electronic manufacturing industry by 2025. Efforts of industry and proactive approach of the government have brought about an enormous growth in the past 5 years. The domestic electronics production that was $29 billion in 2014-15 has grown to $70 billion in 2019-20 at an annual compound rate of about 25%. The export of electronic goods has also increased substantially from $6.4 billion in 2017-18 to $8.8 billion in 2018-19, registering a growth of over 38%. This has enhanced India's share in global electronics manufacturing from 1.3% in 2012 to 3% in 2018. India has emerged as world's second largest manufacturer of mobile phones in the world. The mobile phone production has gone up from 60 million units in 2014-15 to 330 billion units in 2020.
India is the second largest mobile phone producer.
Number of units involved in manufacture of mobile phones and their sub-assembly parts from 2 in 2014 to 200 units in 2019. Production of other electronic goods has also gone up significantly. Manufacturing of LCD LED TVs in India has grown from 8 million units in 2016-17 to 12.5 million units in 2019-20. And today, 38 units are producing LCD LED TVs in the country. The National Policy of Electronics 2019, through its trilogy of schemes, aims at positioning India as a global hub of electronic system design and
Look, these are the bodies: production-linked incentive scheme, scheme for एक काम कर मोबाइल है, ये स्नैप लेके रख, मतलब तेरा नॉलेज के लिए है. इसको ट्रियोलॉजी ऑफ स्कीम्स बोलते हैं. 3 स्कीम मिला के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंडस्ट्री चलता है. Okay.
manufacturing. Production-linked incentive scheme with an outlay of $6 billion will provide 4 to 6% incentives in incremental sales for the goods manufactured in India. The scheme will attract large-scale investment in mobile phone manufacturing and specified components, including AT&T earrings. The scheme for promotion of manufacturing of electronic components and semiconductors, with an outlay of $500 million, shall provide a financial incentive of 25% on capital expenditure that will be given for the components that comprise the downstream value chain of electronic units.
कितना लोगों को इसमें जॉब्स मिलता है ना?
Modified Electronics Manufacturing Cluster Scheme 2.0, worth $550 billion, shall provide a financial assistance of 50% of the project cost for setting up of PMCs and CFCs with plug and play infrastructure. Come and be a part of the mega electronic revolution in India.
That's why they say next 5 years India can be the
and an opportunity
most powerful country in the world. We are quite happy. बट ये पॉलिटिक्स है ना, थोड़ा सा कम हो जाना चाहिए. क्या बोलते हैं? हर 9 o'clock को हिंदू